In this video, I will walk you through how to add an unsubscribe link in Klaviyo. Begin by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once inside, open the email campaign or template you are working on and enter the editing section. If you are editing an existing template that already includes a footer, you may notice that the unsubscribe link is automatically added there. However, if you are creating an email from scratch, you will not see it by default, and you will need to insert it manually. To do this, drag a text block from the left-hand menu into the location where you want the unsubscribe link to appear. This is typically placed in the footer of an email to maintain a professional and standard layout. Click the pencil icon on the text block to begin editing. Type the text you want subscribers to see, such as "click here to unsubscribe" or "unsubscribe here." You can format this text using the style options at the top of the screen, changing the font, color, or size to fit your email design. Once you have entered and formatted your text, highlight it and click the link icon located in the toolbar. A URL input box will appear. In this box, you need to paste Klaviyo's unsubscribe link token, which is visible on my screen and will also be included in the description for easy access. This token automatically generates a personalized unsubscribe link for each recipient. After pasting the link, click Apply to save it. From this point on, when you send your campaign, each recipient will receive a functioning unsubscribe link that, when clicked, allows them to opt out of receiving future emails from you. This is not only a good practice for email marketing, but is also legally required in most countries, and this is how you can add unsubscribe link in Klaviyo.